Hi, my name's Steve Hayes. I'm with AllSafe Industries, and today I wanted to talk to you about our 2-unit rapid deployment kit. We make these exclusively at AllSafe Industries for our customers. It gives you the ability to configure this kit any way that you want to. It's really a spin-off of the 4-unit kit that you would purchase either from your distributor or from the factory, RAE Systems by Honeywell. So our kit allows you to configure it any way that you would want to. You could match an AreaRAE Pro with an AreaRAE Plus. You could have both AreaRAE Pros or both AreaRAE Pluses, but with different sensor configurations. Plus, our kit design is a little easier on your budget because it's 2 units instead of 4 units. Some of the other features is it's going to be a little faster and simpler to deploy from our 2-unit rapid deployment kit, because one of the design features is that we leave room for the RAEMet sensor to stay engaged on the meter. If you've ever taken a RAEMet sensor off of the unit, it can be a little bit of a tedious connection, very susceptible to damage of the pins on the bottom of the RAEMet sensor. By leaving it engaged on the instrument while it's stored, you don't have to worry about taking it on and off every time. The other thing we did is we put pass-through charging on all the kits that we build here at AllSafe Industries. So the 2 instruments, your 2 spare battery packs, and even your RAE Link 3 are all on charge when you plug in the case. So that pass-through charging really makes it easier to store this on your hazmat trailer or on your rig, wherever you keep your wireless gas detection ready for deployment for the next hazmat call. Finally, we store the antennas in the lid of the case. So we have room for the small whip antenna that can go on your RAE Link 3. We also have room for the longer antenna with the magnetic mounting base if you choose to elevate the antenna to the top of your incident command vehicle. And then finally are the 2 antennas that go on your AreaRAEs. And again, all of these are stored in the lid of the case. So we really do feel like that this 2-unit rapid deployment kit gives you options, and that's what we want for our customers, giving you the ability to make your own choices based on your needs and based on your budget. Again, my name's Steve Hayes, and I just showed you the 2-unit rapid deployment kit for the AreaRAE from RAE Systems by Honeywell. This kit is available exclusively from AllSafe Industries. We'd appreciate if you check out our website, like us on Facebook, or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.